everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you how to recover your Chime account. So first go to your browser and then type Chime account closed or delete. Then scroll down and until you see this article, click on that. Now once you do that, they have written an article about how can Chime close your account or why they can close your account. So Chime has the power to shut down an account that still has money in it for different reasons. And once the account is closed or deleted, the customer won't be able to access or use any banking services like making a transaction or withdraw money. So there's a few reasons why Chime could close an account with remaining funds. And some of these reasons include accessing your Chime account through an approved method, opening multiple Chime accounts to exploit sign-up offers, misusing Chime's offerings in violation of the company policies, and many more. So you can go ahead and read this for yourself. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can recover or what step you need to take if Chime closes your account. So the first step is to act promptly. If your account pays closure, Chime might be on your side. This process is always immediate and providing a window to rectify the situation. Members are informed at least 5 days in advance for most account closure. However, these are the instances where Chime is legally obligated to retain funds for reason related to legal compliance or restitution. Then reach out to Chime. If you're a Chime user, then you can mail them, you can go call the helpline number, and you can engage them on social platform as well. And then you have to explain your problem, and that's it. Now the third step is to escalate if necessary. So should your attempts to resolve the issues directly with the neobanks not yield result, consider filing and complaint with the CFPB. These steps often promise a more immediate response from the bank. So while the reply is typically expect within 15 days, to be prepared for possibility that it could take longer. So taking this step improve your chance to reinstate your account or understanding the reason behind it close. Now, here are some tips that you can try to reduce the risk of your account getting suspended. First, report unauthorized account. Then avoid using your account for commercial purposes. And understand you're eligible for government benefits. Ensure your account contact details are current. Maintain an offline record of account details and have a backup account and payment card. So the short answer is, if you follow this step immediately, then there is a chance of recover a deleted account, or else you may lose your money with account as well. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.